In this video, you will learn how to use direct modification to add an opening to the floor. You can add polygonal openings, rectangular openings, and circular openings. You will also learn how to modify, move, and copy the openings that you created. Before you start, ensure that the direct modification switch is active. Click on the slab to activate the direct modification options on the contextual toolbar. Let's add a polygonal opening. Start by picking the corner points of the opening, and then click the middle mouse button to finish the command. You can pick the points at grid lines or the reference points of supporting parts. You can also change the opening offsets later. Now, let's create a rectangular opening. With this command, you only need to pick the start and end points of the rectangular opening. To create a circular opening, pick the center of the opening and then pick another point according to the radius. To modify the dimensions of the opening, select the sides that you want to edit and enter the new value. You can also drag the sides of the opening to modify the dimensions after creating the opening. To do so, hold down the left mouse button while dragging the opening edge line. By clicking on the opening, you can change the opening name. Move the opening by dragging it. And delete the opening. Finally, to copy the opening, hold down the Control key and drag the opening to the new location.